Are you looking for a lighter but equally delicious eggplant parmesan? All you need to do is grill the eggplants. Let's prepare a nice sauce. Drizzle some oil in a pan. Add the chopped onion and then add in the tomato puree. And then pour in just enough water to rinse the jug. Salt that generously. Stir it up and we will cover it with a lid. Let it cook for half an hour. Let's move on to the eggplants. Cut off the stems and then cut them into slices lengthwise, about 7 to 8 millimeters thick. And this is the secret of this eggplant parmesan. We are going to grill the eggplants instead of frying them. This will give us a lighter but equally tasty result. Arrange the eggplant slices on the grill, and just a couple of minutes per side is enough to get some really nice grill marks. Now I can begin to build our eggplant parmesan, starting with a layer of sauce. Then add a layer of eggplants. Arrange the slices so that they overlap just a little bit. Add some more sauce and a few basil leaves. Now add a bit of grated cheese and a bit of mozzarella, which I tore up and drained in a strainer. And we will repeat that process to create another complete layer. For the last layer, I will add even more sauce and some more basil leaves too. Don't add any mozzarella, just a lot of grated cheese. We will top it off with a drizzle of oil and a grind of pepper. And now we can bake our eggplant parmesan in the oven at 200 degrees for about 50 minutes. And finally, let's eat. That is really delicious. Please try making it.
Bon appétit!